Hello there guys and welcome to Prepare Your Pan channel. Today I decided to make a video with 3 recipes that will take your cooking to the next level. For 2 of our recipes we will need onions, so let's prepare them. First we will need to peel and clean 6 large onions. Now we will slice the onions using a mandolin. This way they will cook evenly. If you don't have a mandolin, just use a knife. In a large pan, add some olive oil and half of the onions and cook them until they start changing color. Add some tomato paste and stir in until combined. Keep this cooking on a high heat. Add salt and pepper. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce, and 2 teaspoons of Dijon Mustard. Make sure to stir in until all the ingredients are incorporated. Now to balance the flavor we will add some apple cider vinegar. Add 50 grams ketchup, (20 grams of brown sugar), and the most important ingredient, smoked paprika. I'm adding 2 large tablespoons. Give it a final stir, taste for seasoning, and you're done. If you want, you can blend the sauce or you can serve it as it is. When I make pork ribs, I like to use it as it is, but this is my personal preference. When blending, add some water. This will help with the consistency. I added about 30 milliliters of water. I like to use this sauce when I make burgers or when I eat grill. This is perfect also to go with fries. The second recipe will be caramelized onions. In a large pan we will add some olive oil and the remaining half of onions. We will cook the onions on a high heat, constantly stirring in until the onions are starting to change the color. Add a pinch of salt and keep stirring in. Now we will add 50 grams of sugar, but in 2 batches. For the first batch I added almost 40 grams of sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now we will add a sweet red wine, also in 2 batches. For the first batch I'm using 100 milliliters. Stir in until all the sugar is dissolved. Then add the remaining sugar. Keep stirring in until the wine is all reduced. Add the remaining wine, in my case is 50 milliliters. Also add a splash of apple cider vinegar. Cook this on a high heat while stirring in until all the liquid is reduced. This is my recipe for caramelized onions. I like to use them on burgers and antipasta. And the third recipe is a simple saffron sauce. This is perfect to go with fish or even with pasta. In a large pan we will add some cream and cook it on a medium heat for 1 minute. Then add the saffron. I'm using about 0.12 grams of pure saffron and we will stir until the cream becomes yellow. Then we will add a splash of water, a pinch of salt and some lemon juice. This sauce is ready in under 5 minutes, but is delicious. So there you have it guys, the saffron sauce. Feel free to use these recipes in any combination you want, they will take your dishes to the next level. I hope you enjoyed the video for this week, and if yes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipes. Bye!